ComfyUI is a powerful program when it comes to creating images, but its flexibility also means it's easy to make mistakes that can waste time or ruin your outputs. Whether you're new to image generation or trying to fine-tune your workflow, here are 5 common pitfalls to avoid if you want better, faster, and more realistic results. When you create an image you like, it might seem a bit too small, leading to a temptation to create a larger version. Bigger is always better, right? Don't do it. Here's our image with dimensions doubled and then tripled. In both cases, it's a disaster. Generating large images directly in ComfyUI is inefficient and can backfire. Instead of producing better quality, you'll get longer render times and degraded effects. For example, scaling your image resolution by 3 means the final results could take over 570 seconds, as in our version here, versus just 10 to 25 seconds at optimal sizes. Start smaller, then upscale with a separate tool for best results. Classifier-free guidance scale is vital for controlling how strongly the model follows your prompt. Setting it too high can make images look stiff or artificial. Too low, and you'll get odd, unpredictable results. A balanced setting, which will vary with the model that you're using, strikes the right compromise between prompt adherence and creative variation. Cramming your prompt with keywords like ultra-detailed, super high quality, photorealistic, and multiple lighting terms like bokeh or soft focus may seem like a good idea, but it leads to visual clutter and blurriness. A clearer, simpler prompt often delivers sharper, more coherent images. Focus on the essential qualities instead. LoRa's are great for applying specific styles or characters, but they're sensitive to weight values. Setting a LoRa weight too high, such as 2.0 for the characters in our sample here, can warp your image into a grotesque mess. Stick to a more moderate value, around 0.8 is usually a good starting point, to preserve detail and artistic coherence. While ComfyUI allows for beautiful artistic enhancements, too many effects layered together, glows, lens flares, exaggerated color grading, can distract from your core composition. Less is often more. Use artistic filters deliberately and with restraint to enhance, not overwhelm the subject of your image. ComfyUI is great for producing images, but beware of these 5 points when using the app, and you should see much better results from your prompts.